Good day now home, I'm your host VillainCloud and welcome to a POV drive. Yeah, basically that's it. That's awkward, okay. Okay, let's go. We're gonna drive this BMW. This is an BMW E46. This is the facelift model. It has an 1.8 liter engine, which is actually a 2 liter, so call it however you want. Let's do a quick walk around. What else I can tell you? It's black. I invested in this car for quite a lot already, and I'll take you for a ride. You can see it's shiny, it's beautiful, it's lovely. And now, before I'll go to the POV drive, when we're gonna drive around London dockyards, around ish, somewhere close there, I'll tell you top tip about BMWs that you can have some wisdom without knowing anything about them. If you don't know anything about an E46 or BMWs or anything of them, I'll tell you one top tip which will make you look like you know your business. Many of you would have seen 318i, 330, 320D and so on. Let me decipher this so you know what kind of BMW it is. Usually it's around here. Usually there's the BMW logo, there is M sometimes, and here are those numbers like an M3 or anything. Basically how you decipher this so you know which model it is and which engine part it has. So this is a 3 Series 1.8 liter engine, and I means something else. If it's a D, then it's a diesel. So if this would be 2.0, so it's 2 liter. It's 3 Series 2 liter. If it's just M and 3, that means it's an M3. It's the top of the line, the performance one. This is a 3 Series 1.8 injection. So that's how you can recognize what kind of BMW it is, if it's a diesel, if it's petrol, what kind of series it is, and from that you can see how it is and what it is. Just a quick top tip from VillainCloud. Let's quickly run through this light and this light. That's an engine light and that's an airbag light. This engine light is for something, but I'm working on fixing. So people in the comments below saying, oh yeah, it's a BMW, it has an engine fault, it has an airbag fault, it's a normal everyday BMW. Yeah, don't worry, once the COVID is over, this will disappear. This is injector 3 short circuit, so basically with the circuitry something is wrong. I did try to go in the engine bay and check everything, every single wire what goes to the third injector. It's not there, so it's somewhere around here or under the dashboard. Now this light, this airbag light, is for this plug. It's loose, and it's not only loose, it's just it's gone, it's time, it's done, it's tired. So once you put in the belt, let me get the belt. Now bring on the belt. Once you click it in, it clicks, but you can hear it has loads of wiggle room and loads of play. Sometimes it doesn't even click. Oh, now it clicks. Okay, then let's go to the POV drive. The gearbox. I had to change the clutch and the flywheel. So I went from dual mass flywheel to single mass flywheel. So basically now the clutch is more responsive. Sorry, steep hill, had to do this. always show your turn signals, otherwise it might go bad. So you can see the streets are kind of narrow. Now I'll stay quiet so you can listen to the car. Now many of you would expect London to be a big place where there is loads of tall buildings and everything else. No, it isn't. Now let's give this some beans, shall we? And I'm going over the speed limit a little bit. Ah, I'm blind. Can't see anything. Help! Help! I'm blind. That's why. Help! Help! I'm blind. Yeah, and new speed rules, 20 miles per hour, which actually sucks. And a new speed bump. Thank you for that. Thank you, government. I'm blind. I can't see anything. Help! Help! I'm blind. I'm blind. I'm blinded. Oh, blinded by the lights. Looks like I need to cut this short. Because I really can't see and you can't see, so... Okay, we'll be nice and we'll let them go. Now we can just roll down the hill. This is all the way down the hill. that was it with a short drive of my BMW E46. If you liked this video, of course, smash the like button, subscribe, ring that notification bell, and I hope I'll see you next video. Bye bye!